Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about the following vehicle here. So now let's check and clean with me one by one. Mini monster truck, white color. The next one, red super motorbike, very nice. This is my favorite super motorbike. The next one, green racing car, mini racing car. Truck ឬក៏គេហៅថា Mobil Truk អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទ Mobil Truk ភាសាឥណ្ឌូនេស៊ីគេហៅ Mobil Truk. Red car, Mobil Tanki, Mobil Tanki បាទភាសាឥណ្ឌូនេស៊ីឬក៏ Tank Truck បាទឡាន Stand ឡានដឹកទឹកដឹកប្រេងដឹកសាំងដឹកវត្ថុរាវ Bulldozer បាទឡានគៀដី Okay everyone, let's move to the next truck. But firstly I have to put more water so we can see some parts of any car. Mini airplane, yellow color. The next one, super motorbike, yellow color. The next one, everybody, logistic truck. There are two container, yellow container and green container. Very nice, super cute. Red car number 3. Excavator, everyone, this is a cute excavator. Now check the next one. Mini cement mixer truck, mini cement mixer truck. Okay, the next, cute super motorbike, cute color. Racing super motorbike with number 6. Bus, mini bus, cute mini bus. Hero Captain America. The next one, die-cast car, green color. Okay, the next one, everybody. Bulldozer. Okay, check the next one. Hero Spider-Man, red Spider-Man, my favorite hero. When I was young. Red bus. Okay, everybody, let's move to the next truck. Put some water. Mini excavator. The next one, red supercar. Okay, now check the next one. Super motorbike. Okay, the next one, mini bulldozer. Green airplane, everybody, mini green airplane. How about this one? Red Iron Man, Hero Iron Man. Mobil Truk Indonesian, Mobil Truk. Hero Captain America with a strong gas shield. Mini airplane. Okay everybody, if you love my video, please write down, like and especially click the subscribe button. So now thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck.